Good morning, students. Our one chapter of geography and one chapter of history is over. Now, according to syllabus, we are having civics chapter 8 in this term. That is the first chapter that we have to learn here. The name of the chapter is Market Around Us. So let us discuss about the market first. I think you all know that for our various needs we used to go to different type of market. First of all, let us discuss what is our need. We needs early in the morning the toothpaste, toothbrush, soaps for cleaning the hands, cleaning the body, washing clothes. We need breakfast. Sometimes your mother used to cook the delicious food for you. Sometimes she asked you to go to nearby market and purchase the breads. Sometimes you need milk, sugar, tea leaves, then vegetables, then you need cloth. Some cloth are ready-made, like undergarments, your shirt, your jeans, pant. Sometimes you purchase the cloth and go to tailor for a stitching purpose. So there is no need, there is no end of our need. There is a lot of needs we have, and all our need has to be fulfilled by the market. Of course, there are different type of markets. What I want to tell you and what you are going to learn in this chapter, that is only about different type of market. For purchase of milk, you do not use to go to the main market. It is available in the nearby market. To purchase the vegetable, sometimes we used to purchase from the vendor. You might have seen that keeping the basket on their head or pulling a cart. Some of the vendors used to come to your street. They shout in a very louder voice that you should here that what kinds of things they are having. So we used to purchase the vegetable or sometimes the other goods also. But same vegetable is also available in our nearby market, where a lot of vegetable sellers are sitting or keeping on the carts. So different type of places are there. Same vegetable you might have seen available in the big bazaar also. It is a big mall. What milk you are purchasing in your nearby shop, that is available in the big bazaar also, or in the other market. What you say that weekly market. But mall is more nowadays famous because at one place we get everything. So market is very important for us because all our daily needs are fulfilled by market. Of course, there are different type of market that one by one we will see. So let us discuss the first market that is given in our book, that is weekly market. The word weekly indicates that it happened on a particular day in the week. Generally, in the big cities and in the villages, this type of market you will find very often. In big cities, I have seen like Mumbai, or in Delhi, there are some places fixed that on a particular day, most of the seller will come to a particular place with the particular item. Such as I have seen that a particular place is fixed for Monday, and at that place you will find that on Monday a lot of sellers used to come to sell only cloth. Sometimes we want that old books are kept on the street, especially on Sundays, because main shops are closed and on the footpath they used to keep the old books. But what we are talking here is about the weekly market that happens especially in the village. You may remember, if you belong to the village, अगर कभी तुमने अगर तुम गांव में रहने वाले हो या गांव में गए होगे तो शायद तुमने देखा होगा, सुना होगा कि पार्टिकुलर डे दैट इज ऑन मंडे एक जगह पर गांव के किनारे एक निश्चित जगह पर बाजार लगते हैं। जैसे मान लो मंडे, तो क्या होगा, ज्यादातर ये गांव के बाहर का जो हिस्सा होगा वहां पर लगाया जाता है, बहुत सा खाली जगह होगा, वहां पर मार्केट लगेगा। इसका रीजन मेनली ये होता है कि इस गांव के लोग, जैसे मान लो एक गांव ए है, यहां पर बाजार लगा है, तो इसके आसपास के जितने भी गांव होंगे, जैसे मान लो एक यहां गांव है, एक यहां गांव है, एक यहां गांव है, तो ये हर लोग 4-5 गांव के लोग वहां पर आएंगे और अपनी जरूरतों का सामान खरीद कर ले जाएंगे। उसी तरह अब दूसरे बार यहां लगेगा, मान लो ट्यूसडे को यहां लगा, इस गांव के ऐसे कॉर्नर पर लगेगा जिससे कि आसपास के कई गांव के लोग वहां पर आ सके। उसी तरह वेडनेसडे को मान लो कि यहां लगा, थर्सडे को मान लो यहां लगा, फ्राइडे को मान लो यहां लगा, सैटरडे को मान लो यहां लग रहा है, संडे को भी मान लो यहां लग रहा है। तो इस तरह वीक के अलग अलग दिनों पर अलग अलग जगहों में व्यापारी अपना सामान लेकर जाते हैं और अपने सामान को बेचकर चले आते हैं। यूजुअली इन द इवनिंग दिस मिडली मार्केट यूज्ड टू बी हेल्ड on a particular day and on a particular place. The place is fixed, the day is fixed. All the villagers, including the nearby villagers, those who are living in the nearby villages, are knowing that in a particular village about 3 p.m. the market will start and just after the sunset it will over. What is the benefit here? The benefit of weekly market is that goods are, almost all the goods are available in this market. You will find, suppose for example I am telling you that there is a cloth seller. Cloth seller will come on a van. Earlier they used to come with the cart that is pulled by the oxen, जिसको बैलगाड़ी कहते हैं। लेकिन आज के जमाने में बैलगाड़ी से नहीं, ज्यादातर जो व्यापारी होते हैं वो एक मिनी ट्रक हायर करते हैं और 4-5 जो व्यापारी होते हैं वो सब अपना सामान उस पर रखते हैं और इस वीकली मार्केट में पहुंच जाएंगे। एक फायदा ये होता है कि इस वीकली मार्केट में हर तरह का कॉमोडिटी, चाहे वो सपोज you want to purchase a cloth or you want to purchase a soap, sabun, or you want to purchase a needles, sui, vegetable, everything is available at that place. And it is very easy for a person to go and purchase the things, but what is the demerit of this market? That it happens once in a week or twice in a week. That means if it is held on Monday, suppose if it is happened on Monday, then you have to wait for another Monday, or you have to move to the nearby village, which may be covering large distance, long distance you can say. So that is the demerit. But merit is that not only all the commodity is available at one place, but it is cheaper also. Why it is cheaper? The reason is that generally the shop owner used to purchase the things directly from the स्टॉक होल्डर्स, जैसे जिसको हम कहते हैं थोक व्यापारी, जैसे सूतापट्टी हमारा फेमस है कपड़ों के थोक व्यापार के लिए। मतलब एक जगह से आप एक दो आइटम नहीं खरीद सकते हैं, आपको वहां पर बल्क में सामान खरीदना पड़ेगा। तो वहां से एक व्यापार